Welcome to Star Chat, the premier podcast for all things space and astronomy. I'm your host, Carl, and we're excited to have you join us today. We've got a fantastic show lined up for you, packed with the latest updates from the world of space exploration. To start, let's talk about SpaceX and their ambitious Starship program. The company is gearing up for its final launch of the year, Flight 11, which is set to take place on Monday. This mission will be a crucial test for the Starship spacecraft as it aims to demonstrate the vehicle's heat shield capabilities during re-entry. The flight will also see the deployment of 8 Starlink satellite simulators and a series of maneuvers to fine-tune the ship's trajectory. But what makes this launch even more significant is that it marks the end of an era for the current version of Starship. SpaceX is already working on a new generation of the rocket, called version 3, which is expected to debut in early 2026. This upgraded version will feature improved Raptor engines, larger propellant tanks, and the ability to refuel in low Earth orbit. The success of Starship is crucial not just for SpaceX, but also for NASA's Artemis lunar program. The agency has contracted SpaceX to develop a human-rated lander based on the Starship design, with contracts worth over $4 billion. However, to meet the ambitious goals of the program, SpaceX needs to demonstrate a high flight rate and the ability to recover and reuse the Starship spacecraft. As we look ahead to the future of space exploration, it's clear that private companies like SpaceX are playing an increasingly important role. With their innovative approaches and cutting-edge technology, they're pushing the boundaries of what's possible in space travel. We'll be keeping a close eye on the developments surrounding Flight 11 and the Starship program as a whole. And speaking of exciting developments, we have more fascinating space news to share with you after this break. We'll be right back with more fascinating space news on Star Chat. Welcome back to Star Chat, where we explore the wonders of the universe and the latest discoveries in space exploration. Today, we're going to take a journey through the cosmos and examine a fascinating event that has left scientists puzzled: a black hole that fell into a star, only to eat its way out again. Imagine a cosmic dance between two massive objects, a black hole and a star, where gravity plays the lead role. The black hole, with its intense gravitational pull, spirals into the star, causing chaos and destruction in its wake. As it falls towards the star's core, it begins to consume the star from the inside out, producing powerful jets of energy that burst forth into space. This extraordinary event is known as a gamma-ray burst, and it's one of the most intense and fleeting phenomena in the universe. Gamma-ray bursts are like cosmic lighthouses, shining brightly for a brief moment before disappearing into the vast expanse of space. But what makes this particular event so unique is its duration, an astonishing 25,000 seconds, or approximately 7 hours. To put that into perspective, most gamma-ray bursts last no more than a few minutes, like a fleeting spark in the darkness. But GRB 250722b, as it's known, was different. It was like a slow-burning fire that continued to smolder for hours, releasing an enormous amount of energy into space. Scientists have been struggling to explain this unusual event, but a team of researchers led by Eliza Knights at NASA's Goddard Space Flight Center has proposed an intriguing theory. They suggest that the black hole was pre-existing, and it fell into a companion star whose outer layers had expanded late in its life. This caused the black hole to lose angular momentum and spiral towards the star's core, where it began to consume the star from the inside out. This explanation is not only fascinating, but also raises more questions about the nature of black holes and their interactions with stars. It's a reminder that the universe is full of mysteries waiting to be unraveled, and that the study of astrophysics is an ongoing journey of discovery. As we continue to explore the cosmos, we're reminded of the importance of critical thinking and skepticism in scientific inquiry. Theories and explanations must be tested and refined through observation and experimentation, and it's only by embracing this process that we can deepen our understanding of the universe. So, what can we learn from this extraordinary event? For one, it highlights the complex and dynamic nature of the universe, where gravity and energy are constantly at play. It also underscores the importance of continued exploration and observation, as new telescopes like the Vera Rubin Observatory in Chile come online, allowing us to study these events in greater detail. As we gaze out into the vast expanse of space, we're reminded of our place within the universe, a tiny but vital part of the grand cosmic narrative. And it's this sense of wonder and awe that drives us to continue exploring, to push the boundaries of human knowledge, and to unravel the secrets of the cosmos. Stay tuned for our final story of the day, right here on Star Chat. Welcome back to Star Chat. We've had an amazing conversation so far, exploring the wonders of the universe and the latest advancements in space technology. As we wrap up today's show, I want to share with you a fascinating story that caught my attention. You might have heard about the recent developments in AI coding tools and their potential impact on the tech industry. But what's even more intriguing is how these tools are being used in various fields, including astronomy. Researchers are now utilizing AI-powered algorithms to detect small earthquakes and predict larger ones, which could revolutionize our understanding of seismic activity. But that's not all. Climate change is also creating new hybrid species, like the grue jay, a bird that's half blue jay and half green jay. This phenomenon highlights the complex and often surprising consequences of our changing environment. In other news, the federal government is tracking changes in the supply of street drugs using advanced methods developed by scientists at the National Institute of Standards and Technology. This technology has the potential to protect law enforcement officials and provide critical information about the ongoing opioid crisis. As we look up at the stars, we're reminded that there's still so much to discover and explore. From the mysteries of dark matter to the wonders of black holes, the universe is full of secrets waiting to be uncovered. So, as we conclude today's Star Chat, I want to leave you with a sense of wonder and curiosity about the world around us. Whether it's the latest breakthroughs in AI or the awe-inspiring beauty of the night sky, there's always something new to learn and discover. That's all for today's Star Chat. Remember to like, share, and subscribe. And until next time, remember to keep looking up at the stars.